Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show about how to convert your photo into 3D model. Let's start. Okay, I am using Character Creator 4.4 version. To do this, the headshot plugin is important. Now, double-click to add your photo. This is my favorite character. Here select male. This is for female and this is for child character. Here select no mask. This option creates a character as it is in photo. Now click Generate. Now it create base character from this photo. Now here check auto update, because if you made any change it's update automatically. Now here select mouth and nostril. And here, select reveal whole neck. See it create character as it is from the photo. Suppose if you don't get proper output, here check to enable this, activate sculpt morph. Still you face any difficult in sculpting, just check to enable this, activate image matching tool. Okay, here you can change skin color. Finally, one thing is missing. That is, hairstyle. Okay, I use this hair, matching to this character. Okay, I think it's nice. Okay, now I going to add cloth. I use this t-shirt. And for pants I use this pants. That's it for this video. Okay. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I see you on another useful video. Thanks for watching. Bye.